The Three Beds Compromise in Commerce and the Slave Trade Compromise by Daisy Fernandez, Jesus Hernandez, Yesenia Mata, and Maria Torres. Both of these events took place in 1787 in what is now known as the United States, but back then was most commonly referred to as the North and the South. Back then, the South didn't count slaves as people, so the South's population was smaller compared to the North, since the North was anti-slavery. Since the North's population was bigger, it allowed them to have more Congress members. Reason being, its population equals representation. To increase the South's representation, it decided to count its slaves as 3/5 of a person. Regardless of the slaves only counting as 3/5, the South's population grew, giving them more representation in the Congress. Later on, in that same year, the Slave Trade Compromise was signed. The North thought the economy was relying too much on slave trading, so they proposed to ban slavery, but the slaves were a stable point in the economy because of them providing agriculture, and agriculture was the main source for the economy. So the Congress decided to allow slave trading for another 20 years until it was challenged later in 1807.